What's up, y'all? I am Sneeze. I started making music when I was like 8, but I haven't been taking it seriously but for like 4 years. My grandma. Nah, I just be rapping and stuff. I'm gonna be the greatest of all time. Why? I mean, I'm gonna let the world know that I am the greatest of all time. Man, I'm Sneeze, and this is the outro for the video. Yeah, Sneeze blesses you on Instagram, from Richmond, Virginia. I love you guys.